going on, cave dwellers?
What's up, dwellers? Look what we brought out.
We got our beautiful 2024.
Beautiful.
Beautiful 2024.
Talk much.
Camaro Panther 2SS, and we have this amazing product by Novistretch, which I've been using since 2012, where actually my car was fortunate enough to be selected for the images that the company uses on their product, not just for the 6th gen, but for the 5th gen. It is how we know, yeah. So this product is made in America. It's the only product we use on all of our Camaros. We don't drive far or on the highway without putting the Novistretch mask on, and it's not your LeBron.
It is
right?
not LeBron.
It's not LeBron.
It is not LeBron.
No. So it's not leather. It's not gonna ruin the paint.
It breathes.
It breathes.
It dries.
It dries. It stops the bugs. It stops the rock chips.
It stops the roofing panels.
Yep, roofing panels. It stops potholes, which I can't tell you how long. I can't tell you how many times that this mask has saved my car and saved my paint.
And mine.
And for, only $150, but you got a $61,000 MSRP car here, so I think to repaint it is a lot more money than spending $150 for one of these. And luckily, I've been a vendor of this product since 2012 when I tested the product, and we've tested so many different variants of this product for Camaros, Mustangs, Challengers,
new improved
Corvettes, and yeah, it is. And this is the new updated one, so you have less Velcro. Everything comes right in the package. You have the mask. There's 3 screws in each wheel well and 2 underneath the hood, and you're done. There is one piece of Velcro that you put underneath the car, right in the middle of the front bumper. We're not gonna have to need to do it because we have the front splitter on the car. So if you have a front splitter, you got a ZL1, you're not gonna need to do it. But if you want a little reinforcement, you can put it on. But we're gonna show you.
And this one fits 5th and 6th gen. You don't have to have a 5th or 6th gen mask.
Correct.
So if you put the setup on both your 5th and 6th gen, obviously you're not driving them both at the same time. The same mask will work on both your cars.
Yeah. And this is Novistretch. Now this is actually really cool because it does come with a 12-month warranty as well. So if anything does happen to your mask, reach out to me or the Camaro Cave here at thecamarocave@gmail.com and let us know. But like I said, I've been a vendor of these, so if you want one or interested to protect your ride, whether it's a Camaro, Challenger, Charger, Mustang, Corvette, or even a Harley Davidson, I do sell them for all those brands, and we're going to show you what comes with the product. So not only do you get the mask, but all the hardware comes with it as well, and the instructions.
The cats like the box.
Cats do like the box. So you have your Velcro, your one piece of Velcro, like I said here, and the screws, which you just replace the stock screws that are in the Camaro itself.
So easy.
Super easy. The instructions, which I put plenty of these on, so we're not going to need to go through that. But look at, and then they want you to even send them pictures. That's new. That's new out of the box.
That used to be on the box.
Used to be on the box. Yeah. So we're going to show you how to do that. Want to hold these on here? I'll show you what the mask looks like. Just like that.
That's the inside of it.
Inside. It's got, and it stretches. So even if you have a super body kitted Camaro or a ZL1 with an extra, like our 2010s, or even if you have one of those extra bars, when the two splitter bars that go into your grill, it'll protect that too. It'll work as well.
Still works.
So it doesn't matter if you got ZL1, 1LE. Clearly, with the collector's edition car we have here, it does go over it.
Easy to wash, ladies, because I know you're going to get stuck with washing the cover. So and gentlemen, if you don't know what this is, ask your ladies, or go to Victoria's Secrets and ask them. You'll look dumb doing it, but you'll thank me later. Get a lingerie bag. So this is a little net bag that we wash our unmentionables in. Put this bad boy in the lingerie bag, bugs and all, and if you want to stay married, take it to a laundromat. If you don't care and she doesn't care either, throw it in the one at home. Wash it, take it out, hang it to dry over a door.
Don't
Don't dry it.
Don't dry it.
hang it to dry over a door. It's like a dry fit t-shirt. It'll be dry in like 10 minutes. And then back onto the car it goes. We actually hose these down in a shower at hotels when we get to them, hang it over the shower rack, and they go back on the car when we leave.
Because the whole front of the car will be scorched with bugs for our trips.
So much buggies.
Yeah. So what you're gonna need is, what's this tool, Tanya?
Well, I don't know. You've got some like little convertible tool, but this looks like was it a T3? Yeah. Yeah. So you're gonna need a T3, and then you're going to take the outside ones.
Want to bring it in closer? Pause. The outside ones, you want to go to the further screws out and just undo them here. And you're going to replace them with the screws that are provided in the kit.
So you're taking out the screws and we're going to be putting in snaps. Give me the...
Yes.
So the same kind of screws going in, but it's got the top of it's going to be a snap now instead of a screw. You will need a Phillips head to put that in.
You will, but you can screw it down with your fingers almost all the entire way, to be quite honest with you.
Yeah, well, let's tighten that down.
I know. And then, so you got 2 underneath the hood here, and then you have 3 in the wheel wells in each wheel well, and literally you're done. But for time purposes, we'll speed this up here in the video, but we wanted to show you exactly where they go. And make sure you keep those, because you never know when you're going to need them. Right in. Super easy, guys. Definitely something worth the investment, especially if you got a collector's edition or you really love your car. So now that's done underneath the hood. Now we go to the wheel well, and it'll be the same thing. There's 3 screws inside the wheel well, 1 right even with your side marker, then 1 near your lower splitter, and then one right behind the air vent. That's in the front. Now again, super easy. Just get these 3 out.
T3 to take out your stock screws.
Make sure you turn the wheel too.
Phillips to put in the new one.
And again, you'll be able to put it in a little bit with your hands, but you are going to need a screwdriver to tighten it for sure. Boom. There's 2 more, and the 3rd one. Here we go. Again, definitely you should turn your turn your wheel. What it said. Now we'll get these in, and we will show you what it looks like when we put it on. All right, guys. So once you get the screws in, as you can see, is what it looks like once they're installed. And definitely use a Phillips head to tighten them, because you don't want them to come flying off when you're driving. And here's what it looks like underneath the hood, and you just repeat it on the other side. Make sure you turn the wheel though, and we'll show you what it looks like once we put it on. Now this installation is like less than 10 minutes, guys, as long as you have the right tools, right, Tonya? All right, guys, now that we installed all the hardware, which was 8 screws, right? We're going to show you how easy it is to put it on. You can literally take the mask on and off in under a minute. So what I like to do is start off in each wheel well. So we do the wheel wells, then we'll come up to the hood so you can bring the mask up and it doesn't get ruined in the process. But we got 3 snaps right on the mask. Again, this fits all 5th and 6th gens. And you're literally just going to snap it in place. 1, 2, 3, snapped in place. Now we'll go underneath the car too here to protect the splitter. To the wheel well on the other side. 3 snaps on this side as well. Now don't be afraid. This thing does stretch. And now, Tonya, how would you complete it? Hold up. Come up right to the snaps underneath, and voila, it's done. And look, it protects your whole front end and doesn't expose. Well, the lights are exposed, the headlights are exposed, but that is your protection, guys. Now we're gonna drive this home on the highway and show you guys what it looks like once it's done. But we wanted to show you the install of it and show you how much it protects the actual front end of the car. So let us know what you think in the comments and if it was helpful to you.
So fun fact, if you have a soft paint like these cars have that gets micro scratches really easily, I do recommend that the points where the mask rubs, which is here, here, and here, painter's tape, blue painter's tape. Don't cheap out on this tape, guys. Buy the expensive good stuff. Put painter's tape between your mask and on your car, and that's where the vibration will rub, is on that tape. And then when you get to your location, you just take the mask off, take the painter's tape off, and you don't have any vibration rubs on your paint. Most cars you don't have to worry about that, but if you do have soft paint, my car's been repainted, this car has a soft paint, it is probably the best thing to do on a long trip. If you're just going somewhere short, you probably don't have to worry about it. I don't want to repaint my car, so I do use that trick, and it's worth the time to take to do it.
100%. If this was helpful to you, let us know. Let us know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe if it was helpful. Hope your day is going well. And if you want one, let us know. You can reach us on our email, thecamarocave@gmail.com. And we bring these to shows, so we even do the installs at the shows as well. Make it easy for you guys. Free installs. Let us know if you need one. If you want one, we're here for you. See you guys. Back here. All messed up. Our beautiful Panther. That paint just shines. I really like the video, and photographs don't do it justice, guys. I mean, look at that paint when the sun hits it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And that's why we got to protect the front end from rock chips, bugs, everything, debris. Definitely beneficial, guys. We do not want to hurt the Panther.